Okay, great. Awesome, guys. So show me what you got for the next week, week 3.
Cool. All right. So, well, we are Team Scanner, week 3. Happy Monday afternoon. We're excited and got to work on this week. So, for ado, it's maybe easiest if I just share my screen and show you what we've got planned for this week. We use the Notion document to kind of plan out and map our week out. So here is what we'll go through. Yeah, obviously we feel like we crushed it last week. Everybody worked really hard and we got a lot of things done. We got our back end all set up. Most of the front end APIs are working on both iOS and the front end web. We still a little bit of tweaking there. We got AR scanning, which is going well. We need a little UI update, a UX update, but otherwise pretty good. And the OAuth is working. A couple of tweaks might need to be made, but otherwise good. So for this sprint, our goal is about obviously making mobile and desktop features kind of seamless, and also completing all of the features that we want to get into the app. We feel like we can finish this. It's going to be a big week, but we're ready for it. As far as finishing some of the more specific goals, we want to finish implementing the AR scanning capabilities. We basically have it. We just have to tie the AR scanning back into saving products. We also want to add we just don't have at least on iOS, don't have a screen for manually entering or AR scanning. And then some of these other ones we're just this is basically the same as finish implementing the first. Yeah, so in terms of our APIs, we can get post, delete, put on products. We can get post on shipments. Users can log in with Firebase. We can get put on account data. So we've got basically our APIs working. This week, one of the big projects and potential blocker is working with the live data for the shipments. So right now, we just have the ability to get the current state of the tracking data, and so that's going to be one of our potential blockers this week. Another potential blocker is going to be image storing on the server. We're actually thinking that if we don't get to image storing is really next week. But if we get ahead of our goals this week, we'll try to tackle it. So let's see here. We also want to. These are the user stories that we're hopefully going to tackle this week. So we want users to select one or multiple products and then pack them. What we found in our research over the weekend was that there's an awesome algorithm that we needed to basically figure out what box size was appropriate for the ARCA boxes. So the client that we're working with has a standard set of boxes, and we needed an API to figure out, or we needed an algorithm to figure out, based on a product size, what is the smallest box that product fits in. And we found an awesome API. So a lot of this week is going to be user stories around having the user have a product and add a box to that, basically wrapper around that product. And then we want to be able to basically all these other user stories are around this user story about adding products into boxes, basically. And then the last one, after saving the package, the user will provide a tracking number in a form, and the app will be able to create the shipment. So this is our plan for the week. Do you have any questions?
I have, let me stop recording.